This video will guide you through the process of creating a drawing from a part file. While you're in your part file, with it saved, you'll go up to File, Make Drawing from Part, select CAD 154, click OK. Click on the drawing sheet. At this point, you can edit stuff. One of the things you'll want to do is double-click down here on the template and type in your name, edit your class info and date. This text down here, when you save it, will change to the title of the part file when you're saving. If you right-click up in the drawing area and go to Edit Sheet, you can now edit your drawing sheet. You're going to come up here and select Model View. Since your part was open, it will display in this Open Documents window. Double-click on it. This window down here shows you which view you're in. It's going to display the front view first. So we're going to click here. There's the front view of our part. When we drag up, we should have our top view, and when we drag over to the side, we'll have our right side view. Now, sometimes your settings are set for third angle projection or first angle projection instead of third. To change that, right-click, go to Properties, and select third angle projection. Click OK. Now our views are oriented in the fashion that we're familiar with. Your dimension tool is up here, or you can import dimensions. I'm going to select my Smart Dimension tool. Then I'm going to click Auto Dimension, All Entities in View, and I'll check Apply. So it's entered them on this view. I'm going to select this view over here. Come up, Auto Dimension, select this view, come up, check OK. There are my dimensions. Now, a lot of times it's good practice to move your dimensions around and get them set up so that the reader can understand what's going on. The last one I'll auto dimension. Is the top view. Check OK. So this gives me my positions for each of my holes. Some of these dimensions are redundant, so I'm going to delete them. And again, you want to position each of your dimensions so they make the most sense to you. The last thing I'm going to do, I need to edit some of these over here. This one's redundant. This one's also redundant. The other thing is I prefer ANSI standard to ISO, so I'm going to come up here to Tools, Options, Document Properties, and select ANSI instead of ISO. And that makes the dimensions look a lot cleaner. The one other thing to note is the way this part over here is dimensioned. I'm going to delete that dimension out, and I will add and that matches the way it's dimensioned in your ISO. Finally, when you go and save this, you're going to go File, Save, and you want to save this as Lab 7. And then click Save. If you notice down here, your title has changed to match your Lab 7, and this is Sheet 1 of 1.